talagang traffic dito. Pero sa hindi po nakakapansin, ng motor ko ay Kawasaki Versys 650 2023 model. It's a pretty nimble bike. The power, the torque, all in na siya for middleweight. 650cc parallel twin. Although hindi siya kasing lakas ng MT-07 kasi yan naka crossplane 2 yun, pero this bike can do the job, lalo na kung